Hi sweet friend. Today, we're making a beginner-friendly little crochet kitty. I'm using a 4-ply cotton blend yarn with a 2.5mm hook. Let's start with a magic ring. Hold the crossing. Go into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop. Chain 1, this doesn't count. Go into the ring, yarn over. Pull through both loops. 1 single crochet. See that little V? That's your first stitch. Place a stitch marker right in the first stitch. We'll make 5 in total. Work 5 single crochets. Now, gently pull it snug. Perfect. Remove the stitch marker. Insert your hook into that first stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1 to start the round. That's the first stitch. Go ahead and make 1 single crochet. Place the marker again. Round 2, increase in every stitch. 2 single crochets in the same stitch. We already made 1. Add 1 more. That's 1 increase. Do the same in the next stitch. Repeat this around 10 stitches total. Round complete. Remove the marker. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1 to start the round. Round 3, 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Place the marker again. Work 1 single crochet. Then an increase. Single crochet. Increase. 5 repeats total. 15 stitches. Remove the marker. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1 to start the round. Round 4. Form the star points. Start with 1 single crochet. Place the marker. Yarn over. In the next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. 1 double crochet. Yarn over twice. Work a treble crochet. Next stitch. Yarn over. 1 double crochet. Same stitch. 1/2 double crochet. That forms 1 point. Perfect. Nice and slow. Repeat the same pattern. Single crochet. Half double crochet. Double crochet. Treble crochet. Double crochet. Half double crochet. 2 points, done. Next stitch. Single crochet. Continue the same way around. Five points total. Slip stitch to join. Leave a long tail. Cut the yarn. Trim the magic ring tail. Make 2 pieces. Let's stitch the face. Start anywhere. Between round 3 and 4. Right here. First, the whiskers. Use 1 strand. Finish one side, then the other. Keep them even. Tie a knot on the back. Trim the yarn. Use 4 strands for eyes. Between rounds 1 and 2. Second eye, mirror it. Tie a knot on the back. Trim the yarn. Use 4 strands for mouth. Thread the yarn needle. Hold the pieces together. Find the slip stitch. Go through the first stitch. Match the stitches. Sew them together. Leave a small opening, add stuffing. Use your fingers or tweezers. Fill it nice and full. You're doing great. Push into the corners, then close the opening. Continue sewing around. See the indent that shapes the star? Hide the yarn. Run it through a few times. Trim the yarn on the back. Star piece finished. Let's make the bow. Start a magic ring. Chain 3. 2 double crochets. Slip stitch, repeat once more. Chain 3. 2 double crochets. Slip stitch again. Pull the loop longer. Cut the yarn. Wrap the center twice. If you made it all the way to the end, you're amazing. Now, go make your own cute little kitty. I can't wait to see your finished piece.